If anyone else out there is struggling like I am with cracked lips, this winter was so dry, then listen up. I went to CVS and I bought different lip balms to try them out and see which is the most hydrating and moisturizing. First I picked up this Love and Toast one. I just thought the label looked really cute and it's coconut lime. It's very tropical vacation vibes. This feels really moisturizing and it almost has like a minty freshness to it. Next is this lip smacker. It's supposed to be for drying chapped lips, has shea butter and coconut oil. Ooh, this one had spa energy. The eucalyptus is so nice. It feels really smooth on my lips and very moisturizing. This next one looks fancy. It's Bioderma Ultra Moisturizing. It smells really fruity. This feels more matte and not glossy compared to the other ones. These two are competing for #1 for me, but like I'm really gravitating towards the lip smacker. You can grab all of these at CVS.